The rationale behind Ford's strategy to increase F-150 hybrid production by 2024. Ford recently introduced an updated version of its 2024 F-150. Updates to the pickup not only include new features, but also include a hybrid powertrain option, a significant addition to the brand's electrification as the Blue Oval manufacturers. In addition, Ford plans to accelerate the transition to production of hybrid powertrains, which are the main choice for customers who do not yet want to switch to electric vehicles in the United States. The American manufacturer also announced plans to offer hybrid engines for 20% of its best-selling models in the domestic market by 2024. That's because hybrid sales are good, and Ford itself said hybrid sales grew by 28.1% in the first half of this year, and 10% of all F-150s sold are hybrids. In fact, Ford is also committed to selling hybrid vehicles with V6 EcoBoost engines at prices comparable to pickup trucks. The goal is to provide a competitive alternative to the hybrid vehicle market, especially considering American consumers' high demand for hybrid vehicles that can help improve air quality. Every hybrid car we offer has clear advantages over conventional petrol vehicles, said Ford Blue Executive Vice President Andrew Frick, quoted by Reuters, Wednesday, September 13. If sales of the Ford F-150 hybrid meet expectations, the model could become one of the best-selling hybrid models in the U.S. market to compete with the Toyota RAV4 large SUV. It cannot be denied that Ford's competitors, such as Toyota, are pioneering the development of hybrid models. In fact, Toyota launched a hybrid version of its Tundra pickup and reported that 24% of the 59,735 Tundra units sold in the United States were hybrid versions. Currently, Ford's main focus is offering as many hybrid models as possible to move towards electrification. This is also in response to competition from rivals such as General Motors, GM, which is committed to an all-electric strategy in the future. Additionally, strong hybrid pickup sales will help Ford if demand for electric vehicles like the F-150 Lightning pickup fails to meet expectations. Meanwhile, S&P Global Mobility estimates hybrid vehicles will triple in the next 5 years, accounting for 24% of new vehicle sales in the U.S. by 2028. In contrast, electric car sales in the United States are increasing, but growth is still slower than expected. This is due to consumer concerns about high prices, limited choice, and lack of charging infrastructure. One of the main complaints consumers have about electric vehicles, especially pickup trucks, is their ability to carry large loads. When an electric forklift is pulling a trailer with a heavy load, its mileage can be greatly affected.